G'day and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at the 19th of December 2025's Pinwheel Sudoku by Clover. Clover's one of our sellers here at Gas HQ, so my name is Bill Murphy. G'day, how you doing? I'm going to try and get 3 of these done in a row, so if I don't change my shirt, please pretend that I recorded all of these on different days and was definitely up to date every single time. Yeah, what's up? We are Gas Genuinely Approachable Sudoku. We create, set, and solve genuinely approachable Sudoku for you, the person watching this. You will find the link to today's puzzle in the description down below. You will also find hat times. 2 hats for a very fast time, 1 hat for a pretty fast time. Everyone gets a dinosaur because we love you all equally. That being said, I'm going to jump into it now. Let's do it. So, this is Pinwheel. What is Pinwheel? It's a Renban killer Sudoku. So, normal Sudoku rules apply. Each box, each row, and each column must contain the digits 1 to 9 once each. Now, in the grid, we have some purple lines, like those. They must form a set of consecutive numbers without repeats, so that, but can be in any order. So it could be 4, 6, and 5 to fill out that, but this could also be like an 8. Now, we also have some killer cages. We have the same killer cage 4 times, but, oh, pardon me. What do we know about them? It means that digits in these cages must sum to the given total, or 10, and must not repeat in a cage. So, that's it. That's all you need to know to solve today's puzzle. That being said, I'm going to jump into it now. Let's do it. So, the way I'm going to start this puzzle is, let's have a look at these 4 cells. Now, we know that they need to be 6, 7, 8, 9. But which one's 9? If I put a 9 here, there's no way I can make those 3 consecutive digits. Similarly, how do I make those 3 consecutive digits if that's 9? And even this one can't happen. The only way that works is if this is 9 and this is 8. So we take 8, 9 out of there, take 9 out of there. Now, where do I put 8? Well, 8 would need 6 and 7 to make that consecutive, so that can't be it. So, this is 8, this is 7. Now, this cell here, I need to place a 7 in the box. I can't place it there because I need 5, 6 to both be on that cell, and this isn't the New York Times crossword, so I can't enter it as a rebus. 6 and 5 going that way. Now, over here, we have some killer cages. Let's pencil mark all what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we know that this can't have 2, and this can't have 3. We will come back to the implications of that in a second. This can't have 4, because digits can't repeat on a Renban line, and this can't have 2. This we don't know anything about, but actually, that 4 just means we place a 4 there. Cute. And now, this can't have a 3 in any of these, and we can't have a 4 going that way. So, and that can't be a 3 because we got that in the box. 1, 2 pair takes 1, 2 out of those cells. This has to be 4 and 3. The only way that can be a Renban that works is if this is 2, and that's 1, so that makes that a 3. We take 3 out of these 2 cells. Now, we'll come down here, take 4 out of both of those, take 2 out of that one. Means that this can never have a 1, so that's 4 and 2. 2 and I was prepared to do some trickier logic, but apparently I just don't need to. 2, 4, and 3 make a consecutive set. Now, this is just 1 and 2, which makes this 3 and 4. This can never be a 1, so that's a 2 and a 1 and a 1 and a 2. Now, 7 can't go in those cells, so 7 must go there. 5 can't go in those cells, so 5 must go there. 1 and 9 get unwound by these ones, so that's 9, that's 1. This is 2 and 8, that 2 is going to unwind them for us. 1 and 2 along here, 1's going to unwind that. And then 6 and 9, I don't quite know how those go just yet. That is okay. Now, do I know enough to, are there any other diagonals that I need to be taking a look at is a real question. I can do this one. That's 7 can't go that cell, so that's 7 and 5. 4 can't go in those two cells, so that's a 4. Between 6 and 8, the only one that makes a Renban is that. Alright, now. Let's... Oh, I haven't even looked at this. 6 can't go in those two cells, so this is 6. That's an 8. That's a cute logic. That's a cute bit of logic. 1, 8, and up. That's a 9. But that can't. That has to be an 8 because if that's a 1, how does that make a Renban? So that's an 8. That's a 1. 7 can't go in that cell, so this is 7 and 8. 3 and 9 along here. 9 and 3 will unwind for us. 1 and 5 left to place. We already have the 1 in row 8, so that's 1 and 5. So what do we have? We have this being 6 and 8. 6 had to be there via Sudoku, but it also couldn't repeat on a Renban line, so that's 8, that's 6. And then 3 and 5, the only way I can fulfill that Renban is that works like that. This is 2 and 9, we can just do that, that's a write-in. Come down here, this is a 4, so these two have to be 6 and 5. We have those, 9 and 3. Now let's go this way, this is 2 and 4. 6, 7 along here. 5 and 8 left to go. That's been Pinwheel by Clover. My name is still Bill Murphy. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.